Andariki Namaskaram. A very good morning and also very good afternoon to all. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Revanth Reddy Garu, and a name very similar to our Telugu origin, Dijo Rao. Rao is a very common name in our both states. And in fact, my friend who's been there and who's been inviting us many a time, Mr. Manish Ji, Mr. Tucker, and I've been joined by our Special Chief Secretary, Mr. Sanjay Kumar, and also our Director Life Sciences, Mr. Shakti Nagappan, and the Secretary for Honorable CM, Mr. Rajit Reddy. And we would like to welcome all the global leaders of the Eli Lilly who have come here, and special thanks to Eli Lilly team for selecting and posing trust in our state, especially in our government led by our Chief Minister, Sri Revanth Reddy Garu. I would like to mention here, exactly a year back, I think, when I met Mr. Rao, I was emphasizing the point why they have to open their center here in Hyderabad. The people who are sitting on across the dais over there, they are the assets. These are the talented people available over here. There's a talent which is available over here. And there's a great ecosystem which has been built over the past 6 decades. And Mr. DJ Rao and Mr. Manish and their team were just asking me many questions. Why should we have to keep center here? I think they would have done great due diligence before they have come to a decision. They have been weighing in different parts of the city and also different cities of different centers of our nation. But in fact, thanks for accepting our proposal to come here, and thanks for accepting us and posing trust in us. And that gives us lots of encouragement for us, because our Chief Minister is absolutely a visionary. He's not thinking about short-term political governance over here. We have a plan, and we have to see our state grow into a 3 trillion economy by 2047, and we have named it as Telangana Rising. In the process, we have set the stage and we have set the first step to go. And, the great partners who have been partnering with us with this state for the past 6 to 7 decades, which made this possible, which directly and indirectly contributed to create this sort of a talent in this state of Telangana, then in erstwhile Andhra Pradesh. We have built many stories. The simple example I would like to say is, never in any part of our India, we have a dedicated life sciences or the pharma city by Genome Valley. And time and again, we have to show excellence. We have to show expertise. And this has only been made possible by our talent pool available here, thanks to the young, talented life sciences, graduates, now with the combination of the technology. And Hyderabad now becoming a medtech capital for the future world. I think rightly you have chosen this Hyderabad, our Hyderabad, your Hyderabad in Telangana to start your Center for Innovation. And Lilly, as the name represents, as you all people represents, it also represents a pure, simple term as a purity. Purity in thoughts, purity in their dedication in service, and also in the production and what they intended to do. Our stand, our Telangana's stand on our intent. We would like to build for tomorrow a medtech engine for the global South. I would like to mention here where we meet science with data very fast and safely, and we hold these partnerships very boldly to move on. And I think for a Lilly, it's not just a destination, and we always believe in our building a strategic partners where world needs our cooperation. And we have a command center here that you people call the nerve center, what you have seen, to connect to 150 countries and all, to all your centers of production. That is a beautiful facility which you have been created, and high appreciation has to go to all your technology people which made it possible, and to see that, you are never at the back of the technology. We have seen how me and our Honorable Chief Minister have just seen how your AI-driven research, the cloud-powered patient journeys, you are going to do it from here, where it can change the life-changing therapies across the globe. I would like to mention again, because time and again why I've been mentioning about Hyderabad, why I'm mentioning about the state of Telangana is, everybody knows, it's a city of code. Now, we are always meeting the city of code. Now we are meeting with you people that we are code here are meeting with care, where engineering is meeting with empathy, where companies like Lilly shape not just products, but with a purpose for ultimate care. And we have all the global giants present over here. This is also a point where I mentioned to Mr. Rao then 1.5 years back. We have every global company over here now joining this companies is Eli Lilly. And we welcome you again for this, where you will bring more value to our ecosystem. And in terms of medtech, we are literally seeing about what we would like to see that a 360-degree medtech engine has to be driven. And it should be our Hyderabad and our Telangana should be a launch pad for the global value. Now, I would like to say that with the Honorable Chief Minister's vision, and many a time we have put to criticism too. But we went on doing things in our own way, trying to, create confidence in our investors, in our partners, and we made it possible. And Chief Minister was so emphatic that we will be investment friendly, we will be industry friendly, and whatever may come, we will, handhold you to see that you will grow along with us. In exactly 24-25, I would like to mention here, the state added about 70 new global capability centers in a year, with a target of 100 plus in this year of 25-26. This signifies our Hyderabad, the next frontier for R&D, regulatory and commercial scale innovation in a seamless value chain. And thanks to all efforts made by our techies over here, which made it possible. And between 23 ending till now, Telangana added about 1.1 crore square feet of the new R&D labs, manufacturing space in medtech parks. This is the fastest pace ever in India. I am not telling, our Honorable Chief Minister is not telling, it is from medtech infrastructure reports. And I would like to mention, in terms of the investment mobilization, Telangana leads in the investment in this span of 19 months under the leadership of Mr. Revanth Reddy. We had investment of 3.2 lakh crore in Telangana when compared to 2.6 in Gujarat and 2.1 in Tamil Nadu. This sorts and all, again, thanks to our partners who have been posing trust in us. This is a source of report from RBI, FDI Bulletin and our socio-economic outlook. And why we are trying to impress upon all other investors. Basically, as you know, it's a tech capital and is also a capital for the life sciences and the pharma, and both fusion can make things to go to the next level. That is medtech. It's a digital health, what we are looking up. And our Chief Minister and our Health Minister are trying to see that the patient and the patient records of about 40 million population of ours is digitally enabled. And this is the first time ever in this country where the access of each and every citizen of our state will be on the digital platform. We have just started the innings, and this is the only state we have integrated policy of the life sciences infused with our digital health, AI in healthcare, and recently we have launched, this Telangana Data Exchange. All comprehensive put together is our life sciences policy. And with Telangana, data exchange is not just sharing data to our partners. We are enabling collaborative R&D across borders. From Hyderabad, I think, the great company like Lilly will drive AI-led drug discovery, cloud-based clinical platform, automated regulatory systems. And in this city, where it always and already produced many companies with this sort of platforms, and we combine, basically, we are proud to say that we have about 3 lakh STEM graduates here annually. And world-class infrastructure, just I have mentioned about Genome Valley and the MedTech Park, which we are going to expand in a big way. And the future-ready policy, as I have already dictated, which has been envisioned by our Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy. Telangana is not only getting ready, but we are engineered to grow as MedTech city for tomorrow's world. And with the launch of this Lilly's Hyderabad Center, it reaffirms our Telangana place in the heart of our global healthcare innovation. And if you can see, we are not looking just to grow, but he always says, our young chief minister always says, we are not competing with any other states. We are competing with the global world. So we are just not good, but to lead in all ways and make Telangana to grow in terms of the speed, in terms of science, in terms of scale. We would like to see and make our Telangana a future medtech capital for the global world. The future of medtech isn't being outsourced. All these days, people used to tell and believe in terms of the low labor arbitrage, but we are now not being outsourced. Now we are going to build here. That's the real reason. We are inviting all the global leaders like you to put their offices, to build digital innovation center, the nerve centers over here, and let's make you and us, under the leadership of our chief minister, a resounding success for this, the first ever initiative in terms of connecting all your 150 centers from here, the digital innovation center, the nerve center, a very, very successful journey. I welcome again to our state of Telangana, to our city of Hyderabad, and thank all the global leaders from the Lilly for welcoming here. Thank you very much.